today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, the biggest Bitcoin move we have seen basically in the last 4 years is imminent right now. And if you are asking yourself what I am talking about, let me go straight into the charts and show you exactly what I'm talking about, what price targets I'm talking about, what I am doing with my own multi-million US dollar trade, which is, yes, surprise, surprise, still open. And I can tell you something, I am planning to scale this trade here shortly. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. Let's talk about what is actually happening in the charts. And I have some surprises for you guys. Today you are in for a treat. This is what I can tell you already. So what you can see here is on the daily candles for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is floating in between support and resistance. And you could call this a descending triangle. And probably, if you've been around for the last few years, you have seen a setup like this before. Actually, let me go back here all the way to 2018, 2019, where Bitcoin was in this very, very beautiful symmetrical triangle. You can see it here, consolidating in between support and resistance. And, well, what happened? We broke down. Bitcoin, in fact, broke down from 6,000 all the way down to 3,000 US dollars. Right here from 6 down to 3,000 US dollars. And of course, now the question is the same thing happening once again? Because as you know, statistically, breakouts are more likely to happen to the downside when we are talking about descending triangles. And of course, 2018-19, we broke towards the downside. Now, this is the more likely scenario again, statistically. However, one thing is different, and this is something I wanted to tell you. Of course, that doesn't mean we should speculate on a break towards the upside. We should go in a crazy long position here. I am in a crazy long position, but I'm not telling you just open blindly long positions right now. But why is it this time a little bit different than, let me quickly go back here, than the last time? Why is this descending triangle maybe going to find another end than the last one? Well, number one reason I want to mention here is, let me quickly show you this. This is the hash ribbon indicator. Dear ladies and gentlemen, one of the most important, if not the most important indicator I personally know for Bitcoin. Every single time we are seeing the buy signal flashing, every time, 2021, buy signal flashing here, Bitcoin broke from 30,000 to 61,000. 2020, buy signal right here, Bitcoin broke from 16,000 all the way up to 64,000. You name it. I mean, I can take every single buy signal, it's always the green circle here, every single buy signal on the hash ribbon indicator. Whenever it flashed, we got a pump afterwards. Every single freaking time. And just 1 week or 10 days ago, it was flashing once again. In fact, let me go back here to the statistic, and you can see every time we get the buy signal, the maximum drawdown is an average of 9%, whereas the maximum pump or the maximum gain to peak has an average of 5,500%. Of course, we have diminishing returns to scale. We have no certainties in the market, but statistically speaking, this is every single time a very bullish indication for Bitcoin. After the minor capitulation, when the hash rate is actually recovering and the buy signal is flashing, usually we are seeing these pumps for Bitcoin. Yes, right now everyone is very bearish. I am in my own trade here right now. I am actually planning to scale this one higher once we are breaking the resistance. And yes, I am going to do this also. Let me show you where. Right here over on BitGet, where you get a 20,000 US dollar bonus. In fact, guys, this is something I have to point out. Usually, if you sign up on BitGet on any other link on the internet, you get either a $4,000 or $8,000 bonus. If you click this link here down below, you will see there is a custom landing page, and you can claim a 20,000 US dollar bonus. You will find everything there, all the 3 steps. click register deposit, the deposit requirements, how to claim the 20,000 US dollars for free in the pinned comment down below. Make sure you use it before this bonus is over, and it is eventually gonna be over. This is your chance right now. Scroll down below, claim the bonus. You can claim the bonus. You don't even have to use it yet. You can wait on the site and then trade when the moment comes. Go down below, use it if you're an experienced trader. For now, I definitely want to point out this, dear ladies and gentlemen, is the pattern I'm looking at right now. This, dear ladies and gentlemen, is exactly what's gonna go down here shortly for Bitcoin. And just to wrap it up, guys, this break will happen within October. This is one thing which is almost for certain. Up or down, let's wait and see. But it is going to happen within October. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I want to know from you right now in the comment section down below, do you think the next Bitcoin move is going to be towards the upside or towards the downside? Leave your thoughts down below in the comment section and I will answer some of your comments as well. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.